Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
What does this remind you of?
Schrodinger's cat.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
When all of these tools come together, it's a powerful combination.
It's amazing.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It's an entire suite of different kind of possibilities.
Hi, I'm Gemini.
What neighborhood do you think I'm in?
This appears to be the King's Cross area of London.
Together, we're creating a new era.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Google's Worldwide Director, ChromeOS and Education Channel. She goes by one name. It's Chitra.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, I only go by my first name because I'd rather you guys remember something than my entire last name. So I am Chitra, and I look after the global channel business for ChromeOS and education. And I'd like to thank Ty Lee and the entire SHI team for inviting us and hosting this amazing summit. So we get a chance to talk about Google's approach to end user computing. But before I do that, I thought maybe we could do a little icebreaker and talk about some trivia questions that maybe you guys could use at a weekend party this weekend, maybe. So just holler out numbers, okay? I'm just going to start with, how many years did you think it took 50 million people to take an airplane? Just shout out a number. 68 years. How about 50 million people to use the internet? 10 years. Close, 7 years. How about 50 million people to use Facebook? Close, 3 years. Now, 50 million people to start using Gen AI. Ha! Pretty close.
8 months.
8 months, 5 weeks. Yeah, staggering. Yeah, can't. So I'll just say that with that, I'll just say that we cannot talk about future of technology without talking about AI. Now, we have been working on AI for decades. And basically AI, it's one of the most profound technologies, right? Humanity's been working on. And at Google, we have been investing in AI for years so that we could continue to improve our products for your benefit. In 2023, we launched Gemini, one of our most advanced AI models yet. It is built from the ground up to be multimodal, and that means it combines and understands different types of information from text, code, audio, video, images. And now it's incredibly flexible, and it runs efficiently on everything from data centers to mobile devices. Now, we are an AI-first company, but we also believe that new technologies should be simple, secure, and user-friendly. And at Google, technology's purpose is clear. We want to empower people to learn, to create, and to thrive. And that is why we're bringing the best of Google AI to our end-user computing stack. Now, our solutions are designed to simplify management, enhance security, and boost productivity across all layers, from your browser to your virtualization solutions, productivity apps, operating systems and mobile platforms, and your underlying infrastructure. Now, each of our products is built to integrate seamlessly with your existing tools so that we create a complete end-to-end solution that could scale with your business. Now, we understand that IT admins' time is precious, and the last thing they need is more complexity. And as digital transformation expands and accelerates, now managing an ever-expanding technology stack seems like a never-ending task for your IT admins. And that's where we come in. We simplify IT management at any scale, from secure enterprise browser to web-based apps and tools, and cloud-first OS. Now, to give you an example of how we simplify things, let's take a look at the Chrome Admin Assistant. It is our new Gemini-powered chatbot that is built for the Google Admin Console. Now, if you need to check on a device status or take a screenshot for troubleshooting, just ask and you get instant answers, and you can actually resolve these issues right in the chat window in natural language. Now, speaking of natural language, we've added natural language processing to the Google Admin Console. Now you can just search in plain language. You want to find out devices that have low RAM, or how many devices have enrolled this month, for example. You could just type it in and get instant results, and you could do that with no more complex queries. Now, beyond saving time with natural language, we've also added what we call related settings that simplifies your workflow and optimizes configuration. This feature shows admins commonly used policies, ultimately making fleet management easier, simplifying IT management's workday, and giving them more control. Now, security. It is a critical piece of the puzzle, and we believe that it should be built into every product and not bolted on as an afterthought. Now, our approach to security, our approach to cybersecurity is fundamentally different. We focus on zero trust built right into the browser, zero known vulnerabilities, and zero reported ransomware. What does that mean? That means $0, 0 days, and zero stress dealing with an aftermath of an attack. Now, guided by our zero trust principle, we authenticate and validate everything and every action before granting access to your apps and to your data. Now, with Chrome Enterprise Premium, you get built-in browser security to simplify implementation and potentially eliminating maybe traditional security solutions. Now, you can also securely enable different work modes, like working with partners and working with vendors on non-corporate devices. Plus, your users are able to be more productive and get a better experience working on the browser, and potentially also reducing reliance on costly VDI solutions. Now, lastly, your tools should help you simplify your work and give you as much flexibility that you need on the way you work. And so as you evaluate digital solutions, you would look for tools that could boost employee productivity and create more efficiency. Now with Google, you get an enterprise browsing experience tailored to your organization, web-first productivity apps for collaboration and communication, and purpose-built devices optimized for your web-based work. Now, let's see how these tools boost productivity. First, you have Help Me Read that could summarize docs, websites, PDFs, all with just a click. And Help Me Write can help refine text anywhere online. Then there's what we call Welcome Recap. If any of you are using Chromebooks, you probably experienced this. When you sign in, your previously used apps, windows, and tabs are all summarized for you so you could quickly pick up where you left off. And lastly, Google Agent Space. Now that combines Gemini Advanced Reasoning and Google Quality Search with your enterprise data all in the browser. So these features truly are taking modern workplace to the next level. Now, let's take a look at a quick video on how some of these tools are used in action. Picture is always worth 1,000 words. So hopefully you were able to see a lot of the features that I mentioned. But before we wrap up, let's talk about what this means for your business. We covered features and benefits of working on the web with Google, but there's also positive financial impact. There's a lot of numbers here. Feel free to take a picture of it. So Forrester and IDC data really tell us a compelling story here. Our enterprise solutions delivers significant cost savings over 3 years, representing real business value. As an example, Chrome Enterprise Core saves you millions, reducing IT time troubleshooting. And with Google Workspace, you get massive ROI, helping drive more efficient and agile teams. And ChromeOS reduces your operational costs and making sure that you free up time so you could spend more time and resources in more strategic growth. Ultimately, these numbers show clear and very measurable ROI for our customers. Now, this isn't just about features. It's truly a fundamental shift to how we work, simplifying work, making it more secure, and being more productive. Now, these benefits are real because we are seeing continuous growth in customer adoption in many of these businesses, many industries, many use cases. We are excited here to partner with SHI to help you through this cloud journey. Now, we recognize a lot of you operate in Microsoft environments, but SHI offers comprehensive services to help you evaluate and plan your transition. Now, given the widespread Chrome browser use, you can start by exploring tailored browser management for your organization, or have our dedicated team conduct a comprehensive evaluation using our Chrome readiness tool to help you in the cloud journey. Now, SHI can also help you with proof of concepts, pilot programs, explore demo devices like many Chromebooks from many different OEMs, as well as use your existing hardware and be able to convert them to ChromeOS devices with ChromeOS Flex. I know we've got this tariff situation and up and down and roller coaster here, but if you've got an existing hardware and you'd like to start exploring ChromeOS, definitely check out ChromeOS Flex, and SHI can help you with that. And SHI and Google can also help you, show you the benefits of Google Admin Console for your IT admins, as well as help you leverage different programs like the ChromeOS Jumpstart, which is a funding that we offer to help with no-cost deployments. Now, transitioning is more accessible and cost-effective than you think. Our evaluation will highlight easy wins for immediate gains in security, efficiency, Google AI, as well as reduced TCO. So whether it's a complete Google end-to-end stack transformation or a browser-first approach, SHI and Google are always here to support you along that journey, wherever you are in your cloud journey in AI. Thank you again so much for your time here today. I am excited to help guide you through the new era of computing. SHI and Google are always here to support you, like I said, wherever you are in your cloud journey. And with that, I'd like to leave you with this one video around the new era of computing that would like to take you on this journey with, for something to ponder with.